Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments. Welcome to the end of the week, but also the start of a new month. Friday, December 1st. Overnight trade. Kind of mellow, but on the plus side. Maybe up around 1 to 2 cents in the wheat market, up a penny in the corn, 2 to 3 in the beans. Up roughly half a buck to a buck in the soybean meal, and up around 10 points in the soybean oil. It is the start of a new month. Probably the two most popular contracts down here, November beans and the December contracts. We've gone through that over the past 2 months as far as repositioning or liquidating. And now we're starting fresh, and is the plus side of the market last night, something where people, after making new contract lows in the corn and beans, or excuse me, the corn and the wheat, and being somewhat sideways in the beans, people know, specs know their bottom line as far as risks go, with the recent lows that we've seen, and say, hey, okay, let's see what South America gives us, and we'll see if we can't get any better U.S. demand, see what the USDA report has to say for the month of December, and go from there. And the seasonals, however, continue to be in favor of the beans versus short the grains, however. That lasts all the way till the end of the month into the beginning of the new year, but it is somewhat kind of ironic after all this maturation we've been doing with the liquidation of and first notice day and end of the month. And so far for the week, beans are lower, and the corn and the wheat are unchanged to slightly higher. Other than that, after the close, we'll get our commitment of traders report coming on out there too, as far as what the seasonals are. We're surmising that the trade will still be net long the oil seeds and short the grains. During this month of December, we'll be putting more focus on South American weather. Brazil's still okay, but once again, the Argentinians can use a little bit more rainfall. We'll keep an eye on that. There's not much in the forecast. And then there was also a little bit of a blurb on the wire. That Australia is looking to get inundated with some heavy rains, and they still have unharvested wheat, and that could put a little bit of a damper in their total production number going forward. Also, after the close, we're going to get our monthly oilseed and grain crushings. We'll see how that demand pace is going. We got our weekly export sales yesterday, and as been the case, we've been running behind as far as what the USDA is forecasting and versus a year ago for corn, bean, and wheat sales. So once again, it's the start of a new month. Are we going to go and, like I say, know what our risk is on the downside by the specs and see what South America weather is going to give us? Or are we going to continue with the seasonals and have somewhat more money flow trade than fundamentals? Have a good weekend. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.